Welcome back to Balabas Gist.
No be small thing, you know, as e stand right now, they say Ngozi Orabueze don come outside, come reply gentle the Yahoo. No be small thing, you know, he say he no know gentle, no, say that guy, he dey fight for himself. For my people, make una come hear this thing. E don read though, I go play you the video as e take dey talk am before we come back and continue. For the other hand though, we come dey get information, say as security alert wey dey happen for inside Imo State though, they say the 2 PG of Ndegu and the other community wey dey the area wey be say people buy land, they enter inside there to see their land, they go carry them oh. My people, we go play the video, make you hear am as our brother take talk am. Stay tuned, we go play the 2 videos together, make we watch am from beginning to end before we come back and continue.
Sees that there's a video, one guy, so-called Gentle Lion, I don't even know, I thought that was my commander, but again, he was saying something about Holy Ghost, that Orabueze should not talk about Holy Ghost, should not, that Holy Ghost should not post something about him again. Again, I don't even know. Holy Ghost is Sonny Akpalawa's brother. So you see how deranged some of these individuals, they're just like, people tell them something, they don't even know, they don't have a clue. So I don't know who talked to this individual called, it's not Gentle Lion, right? Let me write.
Yeah, that's Gentle Lion. That's, what's the one with Bia,
It's Gentle Lion.
Yeah, the one that celebrated Donald Trump victory. That's
okay. So there's a video he made. I just want to let be friends. There's a video he made, and he was saying that Dr. Orabueze, something like, my media people include Holy Ghost, that Holy Ghost should not talk about him again. Nobody with a problem. I don't even know. Holy Ghost is Sonny Akparawa's brother. These are people that are even fighting against me. Then this individual called Gentle Lion went online to say that my media include Holy Ghost, who is talking about him. I mean, some people are really as confused as some. Then this same individual was talking about that there's somebody called the Success he's working with. Anyway, these people are really irrelevant. I don't want to address it. I thought that was
no, disregard.
I thought that was the general. Again, this Biafra, please. I'm just saying, in case you see anything anywhere like that, these are irrelevant people. The one called Success is suspended from this struggle. The one that is Holy Ghost, I don't
worry about it. I will call you and make a connection about the video.
So that he's looking for a way to kill. Then I say his brother, Holy Ghost, is part of my media talking about Gentle Lion. But again, I will just send it to the appropriate places. These are some of these people are just kind of as confused as hell. It is our duty to continue and that's what happened when, again, every department where in this government where we have a secretary or deputy secretary or cabinet member, the expectation from the government is that we need that discipline in that department so that we as a nation can get to where we are. But in some of the things some of us have observed is people say they have Biafra, some of the angels that are just as so undisciplined. And then you see people just, this one would be talking here, this one, when the commander gives order, like they don't follow the instruction. And those are some of the things we're trying to see how we can manage and ensure that in every government there must be hierarchy. Because somebody's in the military, you're carrying gun up and down, doesn't mean you're superior to the government. I keep giving people an example. In America today, if we have to go to war, is the president that have to declare the war, then the military will go to war. It is not the other way around. So I think what they've seen in the past, all this while, maybe since 2014, I don't know, are situations where some of the leaders of Biafra are held hostage by these individuals that believe because they have the gun, it is the other way around. So the military will declare war, then the president will approve it. In Biafra land, it's never going to happen that way. It must be the other way around. The government is the one that decides what happens. The military is a part of government, but the military can never, ever be on top of the government. It doesn't happen anywhere in the world. So just ignore this thing I wanted to say now. So go ahead, Dr. Agi, on that.
Okay.
I'm a very quick one. Kamgbe shika no kwa na-ekwu okwu ihe gbasara Fulani herdsmen attack. Mana o nwere otu ajụjụ m si ma jụọ ndị okuku na ndị ndegwu, because you can negotiate okuku from ndegwu and also negotiate ndegwu from okuku. Ị ga-eshi nwa okuku ba ndegwu, shikwa ndegwu ba okuku. Achọrọ m ịjụ the president generals of okuku and ndegwu. Una dị sure Nuna amaho about these incessant Fulani kidnappings in your area, because mbawulu unu gerala mbawulu, because when alunu zoga okukuna ndegu unu zoga ala. And from information we gathered, the time unu mechara settle on merie na data ala eshi unu kerie n'udo na ọṅụ reshicha ndị mmadụ ala. From that day till date, onye ọbụla gara nga ahụ na oji ile ala ọzọ eburie, onye ọbụla gara nga ahụ na alọta eburie. Even police they go there, because ndị nwekwere property there na-emecha ha kpọ police will come there. Aga agbaga egbe from morning till evening. Ozugbo police na ala, the next person ga-aga nga ahụ ka police lachara eburie. We are just asking you, the PGs of Ndegwu and Okuku, una ma ihe mege there? Una ma ihe mege there? It's a question we are asking you. We are not saying unu na-eme, but I say una ma ihe mege there, because anụrụ m na was it in Ndegwu ka Okuku nunu nwechara vigilante, but at the end of the day your vigilante ga-anọ ekuru mmadụ. See, people who bịara gbu na aka ahịa weta development n'obodo unu na ala ekuru ha. Ndị tile property there, so property there, nwere businesses there, they don't go there again. Every day ka na-ekuru mmadụ n'okuku, every day ka na-ekuru mmadụ n'okuku. And I wee na-ajụ sị, ọwụ oke nọ n'ụlọ gwara oke nọ n'ọhịa na azụ nọ na ngịga. Maka na ebe nwatakịrị na-ebe akwa na-atụ aka mgbe ọbụla ma nne ya anọghị ya, nna ya anọrọ ya. Ndị Igbo sikwa oke ama na ụma taa akpa nwa dibịa, ma nwa dibịa amakwa na ụma bụ oke ọnụ. PG ndị Okuku, PG ndị Ndegwu, put a stop to that suspicious Fulani kidnapping in your area. Odiwala suspicious. Put a stop to it. Uno with the vigilantes. Let them do their work. I think we should start looking when a business angle to this. Oh yes, I think we will conduct that investigation. When a business angle to this incessant kidnapping in Owerri West. Kaimara mo nwere ndị obodo aka ha nọ na ya. Mara mo when ndị obodo na-erite percentage. N'ihe a na-eme, ekuru mmadụ na 5 million, ekuru na 10 million. Ndị bịara n'obodo gị ịzụ ala, ndị bịara n'obodo gị imepere ụlọ obodo. Abịa lecha property lawa ikuru ha. Una asị na ọ ga-adị ilu unu mma. So it's a question we are asking. Okuku leadership, Ndegwu leadership, wepụ na aka enwe n'ofe, ma ọ bụrụ na unu tiri aka enwe n'ofe ka ọ ghara ịghọ aka mmadụ. The searchlight is now on you people, and we come out with investigation. I met investigation now. Allegedly ka anyị na-ekwu okwu ya. I met investigation now. I ga-apụta with the result. Ajụjụ ka m jụrụ unu. Aka unu ọ nọ na ihe a? Ajụjụ ka n'oso kwajọ. Aka unu ọ nọ na ihe a? Ọ dị mma.
But wonderful people, I beg make una share this video as it dey read. Na so we dey carry and dey come. You don't read though, drop your own opinion.
Don't forget to see the for Balabaji. As you dey watch, make sure say you dey share the video.